Types of plans. So, plan is the ultimate thing which is required in the organization for taking out any task in a successful manner. So, each and every planning will be done by the management with related to the business operation or for undertaking any project. So any project is can be of any duration, whether it is a short term duration or long term duration. So based on the timings and based on the necessity of the plan, length of the plan, plans can be classified into several types. So the basic types are single use plan and standing plans. Now let us see what is single use plan. A single use plan has been developed for one time event, that is to carry out any task for a particular time, only one time. So it can be either a project or even a small organization or small event in the organization which is going to take place. So this kind of plans cannot be repeated in future. So depending upon the duration of the plan, so it depends upon the type of the project. So it can be either a week or a month or so. So any project which is to be completed in one day also, so such type of events make use of the single use plans. So for example, to conduct any event or a seminar or a conference, even for that they need to go for planning. So for such task and all, single use plan can be implemented, and we have various subdivisions under this. So like objectives, strategies, policies, budget, method, program, rule, procedure. So each and everything talks about the planning in the organization. So out of that, budgets, programs and projects comes under single use plan. So these things are considered to be the important one in 1 marks. So under 1 marks, they can question you like budgets come under which kind of plan, whether it is single use or standing plan. So for that, you need to identify the different types of plans into single use plan or standing plan. So to make a clear statement, single use plan are those plans which takes less time period and it cannot be repeated in future at all. So in the example, if you see, you can ask how come budgets can come under single use plan. So budgets, it is mainly prepared on the basis of the profit of the organization. So profit of the organization cannot be the same throughout for every years. So it may increase and it may decrease also. Same way, budget will also be prepared depending upon the financial situation of the organization. Budget is prepared, so the same budget cannot be carried forward throughout for all the years. So every year they need to prepare a new budget. So it is considered to be a single use plan. Programs. So as it is clear that to conduct any program or event, single use plan only can be useful. And projects also. So each and every project has different terms and different conditions and different method of work that is to be done. So even that comes under single use plan. So any program may consist of identifying steps, procedures required for opening a new departments to deal with another minor work. So these are all the example which is connected to the department wise. So opening up of a new department, suppose organization has a department in area 1, so it wants to establish its organization to area 2 also. So in that case, any program will be prepared and that is single use. And for project, the example they have given is projects are similar to programs but differ in scope and complexity. So the scope of the project is different when compared to the program. So a budget is a statement of expenses, revenue and income for a specific period. So the explanation what they have given in your textbook.